Hey, it's John Marc and welcome to my series on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Today's lesson I'm going to be going over with one of my characters from my Friendfish series. His name is Puff. He's like a puffer fish. Anyway, so if you have your pencils and you have your paper, I think we're ready to go. Let's begin. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Now that was a fun lesson. Now, you're going to see a lot more of my characters from my Friendfish series because it's actually turning into a kids cartoon series. That's right, you heard it here. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and see all the other characters and some of my other fun things I'm going to be sharing with you. So as always, thanks for watching this video and have a great day. Don't forget to visit our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.